I would have been accumulating only Bitcoin 2 years ago, then I would have accumulated a lot of Bitcoin. All the altcoins that have gone bankrupt, that have had rock pulls, if I would have stayed away from all those projects, then right now I would have been sitting on a huge amount of Bitcoin. But I spend most of my time buying coins that have no value, buying coins expecting them to 100x, 1000x. These coins are all hype. The guys behind these coins are creating these coins because they want you to buy it and they dump it on you to go and buy Bitcoin. If you say you understand the game in this industry, then you are going to be buying only Bitcoin. Of course, I cannot tell you to buy only Bitcoin because I myself, I'm not buying only Bitcoin. But with the right plan, strategy, you can accumulate a lot of Bitcoin. When you understand how the market moves in circles, up and down, or like this, then you're going to know when to sell Bitcoin, when to buy altcoins, what altcoins to buy, and when to get out from the altcoin immediately. Don't keep your money in altcoins 10 years or 5 years. If I say invest in crypto 5 to 10 years or project that can make you money 5 to 10 years, it means that this project can last or can be there within the next 5 years or the next 10 years. And you can make money, buying and selling this project during that period in time. Don't just buy it, hold it forever like that. We all know that Ethereum, Bitcoin is going to be here for a long time. The rest, I don't know. To an extent, only Bitcoin can be here for a long time. Ethereum, maybe not. But Bitcoin is the only asset that we can lay emphasis on that. It is the best asset out there to hold. So if say you are buying any project long term, like forever, then it's Bitcoin. Then you need to understand how you can accumulate or buy more Bitcoin. This is something I didn't understand in the past. That's why you see me focusing on helping you guys do the right thing right now. I don't want you guys to spend 2 years, 3 years, 5 years buying cryptos that have no value long term, or buying cryptos that if say they pump in value, they're going to dump it back on you. Make sure you learn how to take out profit. This platform is going to help you do all of that. Go right now and connect with me through the links below this video. I want to help you guys to be successful in this space. Ever since I started looking at Bitcoin as the only real asset, I have been making money consistently. Consistently. I have laid down a good investment plan that I will take myself from where I am towards where I want to be. The idea here is for you to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can. Don't look at it in the dollar value. Look at it as how much Bitcoin you want to accumulate in 1 year. For example, you can say you want to accumulate 1 Bitcoin before the end of the year. That should be your goal. Don't focus solely on these other altcoins. Remember, we are going to be here for a long time. Crypto is not going anywhere. 95% or 99% of cryptos right now are going to go bankrupt. And the only one that we know, regardless, that is going to be here for a long time or forever is Bitcoin. We have seen how many governments are trying to adopt Bitcoin. So make sure you go and do the right thing. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Until then, guys, bye-bye.